Follow these instructions to assemble the Flymo Hover Mower's grass box. Assemble the grass box by pushing the handle into the slots in the grass box upper until it clicks securely into position. Next, locate the grass box lid onto the grass box lower by aligning the clips. Ensure all the clips are correctly located before clicking into position. Please note, the grass box is made of a very pliable material, so a little bit of patience is required when assembling. Now slide the grass box chute into the rear in the grass box lower, making sure it clicks into position. Locate the fully assembled grass box into the 2 location points at the rear of the mower as shown. Then attach the grass box window to the hover mower's main body as shown. We hope you found this how-to video useful.